Welcome to Free Workout Programs. This video here is designed for male aesthetics for beginners, building your foundation for working out for the rest of your life, and you can find most of the equipment in most gyms. So we're split here into our first day, which is Monday, push day. So we'll be focusing on the chest, shoulders, and triceps. So beginning with the chest press, I've chosen the incline chest press, mainly because most men are underdeveloped in that area. So here you have the incline chest press. This guy's going a little too fast. You want to slow it down on the negatives. After that, you're going to go into lateral raises. And by the way, mostly everything is 3 sets of 10. So for the lateral raises, you want to control that weight up and control it down so you can activate as many muscle fibers as possible. Then you're going to move into the cable tricep pushdowns, also 3 sets of 10. Keep those elbows tucked in and focus on that tricep contraction. We can see here this guy is getting a full range of motion, and that's exactly what you want to do. And a close grip on the bar here using the cables. All right, and then in addition, I've also added a cardio to the Monday push day, just 15 to 20 minutes. Remember, this is for beginners. You can do jogging, you can walk on a treadmill if jogging is too intense. The main thing is just to get moving for a solid 15 to 20 minutes. If you enjoy sports, you can definitely engage in any type of sport, basketball, soccer, etc. You're going to rest on Tuesday. And then moving into Wednesday, this will be your pull day. So we have Lat Pull Downs and many more here. So focusing on the back, biceps, and the rear delts. So for the Lat Pull Down here, 3 sets of 10, we can see this guy, I don't like the form. He's going too fast. He needs to slow down on the negatives. See how he's just letting the bar go up too fast? Slow it down. Slow down your repetitions and you'll get more muscle activation. So here we have the lat pull downs, and then you're going to move into the bicep, barbell or easy bar curls, whichever is easier on your wrist, 3 sets of 10. Again, contract that bicep. And we can see the elbows are also nicely tucked in. He's not swinging his body to get the weight up. He's using the biceps fully to work that muscle. And then after the biceps have been worked, you're going to go ahead and move into working your rear delts, which is a very underdeveloped muscle in most men. So this is done on the reverse pec deck and it's flies, 3 sets of 10. You can find this particular machine here in most gyms. Again, focus on contracting that rear side of your delt. You're going to rest Thursday, and then on Friday, it's going to be your leg day along with abs. So for leg day, we're keeping it simple. Most guys don't like to work their legs. So keeping it simple with one solid exercise, I've chosen the barbell squat. Now, you notice here, there's not a lot of weight on the bar. Go very, very light, really with everything. Only make it as challenging as would do good form on 3 sets of 10. So just a normal barbell squat. Then you're going to go ahead and move into your ab workout, and this is just crunches to work the upper part of your abs, and then you're also going to work the lower part of your abs with leg or knee raises, whichever is easier for you, and we'll just make this 3 sets of 6. So you're not overdoing it on a very difficult or slightly more advanced exercise. So as far as goals and tips, contract the muscle, don't just move the weight. Slow down your cadence or the speed of the reps so you can get that good contraction. 1 minute rest between between sets. You can do 1 or 2 light warm-up sets. Earn your rest days though. Work hard and eat a balanced diet. I'll have a video on that in the future, but subscribe for more information. I'll be making programs for many different avenues. Take care.